Mwaka-ini uyu makurutu 11,720 a NYS nio matirihite githomo kia ruhonge ruru na igongona-ini ria kumahumba thumbi na kumehitithia mihitwa ya utungata riria rirahumbitwo riri ni President Uhuru Kenyatta mwena wa girigiri. Thirikari ina mwihoko ati githomo kiria arutwo aya maroima nakio guku ni gikumateithia kugiginyana na muturire.
To announce that going forward, and in appreciation of the role our young men and women in the National Youth Service are playing in building our nation, my administration has decided that the National Youth Service recruits enrolled in TVET will also automatically be eligible for capitation.
President augite ati mubango uyu wahanite to guthererio ni macira ma uici uria watimagira magana-ini ma mamironi ma mbeca, no kanjo njeru iria yayukirio tongoria wa ruhonge ruru irehete mihumu mieru na igatheria kundu kuonekana gatagutangithera.
Another National Youth Service Council that provides oversight to the management and ensures that the mandate and the functions of National Youth Service are aligned within the government development priorities and the Big Four.
By the focus of the new Governing Council on strengthening policy, coherence, financial controls, oversight and supervision of the service, and this has resulted in higher productivity, better efficiency, and enhanced revenues, which in turn have allowed young recruits to both experience as well as give improved service delivery. I would also urge the new leadership to look towards more and better outcomes under NYS's expanded mandate, especially in areas that avail greater livelihood opportunities for the National Youth Service graduates. I further urge the Council to continue strengthening the institutional capacity of the service so that the institution may be better able to discharge its mandate, while at the same time meeting the dynamic demands placed on its shoulders by a never-changing local, regional, and global marketplace.
Arutwo ingi makoretwo makirikana ati moragira thi wona marikia githomo giki ni undu wa kwaga mawira, no thirikari iroiga ati ina gibarua gia kunyitithania githomo giki na kia honge ingi niguo makoragwo magitikirika ofici-ini na honge itiganite. President Uhuru Kenyatta akiuga ati ukwambiriria na aria mathomete kothi cia urigitani kuingira thukuru-ini cia thirikari cia urutani wa urigitani cia KMTC niguo metikirike thibitari-ini.
They are now prepared to transit to the next phase of national service, where they will give back to the community by participating in projects of national importance before joining vocational training.
Significant resources have been channeled to the service over the past 7 years, and it is evident that the National Youth Service is playing an integral part in youth and national development, including supporting the realization of our Big Four agenda.
President no ongereire ati watho wa nguo cia maabitha a borithi gukoragwo igithondekerwo guku bururi-ini ni wandandurite thoko cia ngora cia ruhonge ruru mwaka-ini uyu, akiuga ati mbeca iria cirehetwo ni itua riri ni ciringi milioni 500.
So help me God.
Guthii na mbere, thirikari ugite ati uhotani wa ruhonge ruru kuma ruhumbo nguo njeru wagirire kugitirwo gutikanakorwo na mundu kana undu wa kurucokia haria rwatoboketio ni aici. Ngiributira Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.